In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay scheduled listings and the bulk editor effectively. If you're selling on eBay and want to streamline your workflow, knowing how to use these tools is essential. So let's dive in and make your eBay selling experience smoother and more efficient. First things first, begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you're in, you will want to navigate to the My eBay section and then select Selling from the menu. This page acts as your dashboard for all things related to selling on eBay. Whether you need to create new listings or manage existing ones, this is where you'll find everything you need. Now on to creating a new listing or editing an existing one. Head over to the listings section. Here you have the option to start fresh with a new listing or make changes to a listing you've already got. Once you're working on your listing, scroll down and keep an eye out for the scheduling option just above the shipping section. There's a neat little toggle switch to enable scheduling. This is particularly handy if you want your listing to go live at a specific time without you needing to be at your computer. After you've switched this option on, it's time to set your desired date and time. Think about when your target audience is most active on eBay and schedule accordingly. This way you maximize your chances of getting your listing noticed. Now let's switch gears and talk about the eBay bulk editor. This tool is your best friend when you need to make changes to multiple listings quickly. To access it, again go to My eBay and click on Selling. Navigate to the Listings tab and click on Active. Here you'll see all your current listings. The first step is to check the boxes next to the ones you want to edit. This allows you to apply changes to multiple listings simultaneously. Once you've selected the listings, click on the Edit button. This will open a pop-up window for the bulk editor. It's a powerful tool that allows you to change prices, update shipping details, and yes, even schedule listings in bulk. It's an incredible time saver if you have multiple items to manage. Using these tools, you can efficiently manage your listings with minimal effort, saving you time and potentially increasing your sales by keeping your listings fresh and well targeted for the best times. Take a moment to explore all the features the bulk editor offers. Being familiar with its capabilities will undoubtedly streamline your eBay operations. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using eBay scheduled listings and the bulk editor. Implement these steps and you'll be well on your way to a more effective and efficient selling process on eBay. Happy selling!